Oppo has officially launched its flagship smartphones, the Find X8 and Find X8 Pro, in China. Find X8 Pro pricing starts at 5,299 Chinese yuan for the 12/256GB version. The Find X8 and Find X8 Pro smartphones will have similar designs, but only the Pro will get the quick capture button. Oppo Find X8 comes starry black, breeze blue, and light white. The Oppo Find X8 Pro features 6.78-inch BOE micro-quad curved display, also featuring a 120Hz refresh rate, 4,500 nits maximum brightness, and 2,160Hz PWM dimming. In terms of performance, the Find X8 is likely to feature MediaTek's Dimensity 9400 chipset, including a 16GB LPDDR5X RAM, with the ColorOS 15-based Android 15. The Find X8 Pro's front camera remains a 32-megapixel Sony MX615, while the rear camera system consists of a 50-megapixel LYT800 sensor with OIS, a 50-megapixel Samsung JN5 ultra-wide sensor, a 50-megapixel LYT600 3x periscope telephoto lens with OIS, and an additional 50-megapixel IMX858 6x periscope telephoto lens with OIS. The X8 Pro features Hasselblad portrait modes, including soft light portrait and Fuji filters. The battery capacity is 5,910 mAh, with 80W wired and 50W magnetic wireless charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.